The Metropolitan line is the oldest line on the Underground, having opened in January 1863 between Paddington and Farringdon, in the heart of the British capital. It has since expanded a lot. At first, the line was operated using steam locomotives, but later switched to electric locomotives under the influence of the City and South London Railway, now the Northern Line. As for now, the line is operated using the new S8 stock being introduced progressively on the line to replace the older A stock trains. In 2012, all the A stock trains were removed from service. Now, let's take a look at some facts about the Met Line. It is the only tube line to have both local and express trains. It reaches 3 counties in total. It's the third longest line on the network at 67 kilometers, sitting behind the Piccadilly at 71 and the Central at 74. At Baker Street Station, you can see a silhouette of Sherlock Holmes on the tirework at the platforms. The Met Line was also the first underground line to get trains that featured both aircon and walk-through carriages. The S8 stock, in operation on this line, is the fastest rolling stock on the Underground, as it can reach 60 miles per hour at certain parts of the line. Today, the line even reaches destinations such as Chesham and Amersham, which are both outside of London, in Buckinghamshire. Although the Metropolitan line is the oldest line on the network, it is only the 5th busiest one, the busiest one being the Northern Line, running at 130% of capacity during rush hour, whilst the Metropolitan only runs on 97% of capacity during rush hour. This still doesn't mean the Metropolitan line wasn't a success. It's all the opposite. The line was a massive success worldwide and inspired many other lines and networks, not only in London and the UK but also in France, Belgium, the Netherlands, Germany, Russia, the US, China, Korea, Japan, and many more. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and why not sharing? Thanks for watching.